Hi, my name is Veronica. I'm the scan coordinator at United Market in Selma. United Market is a Hispanic-based store where we value our community and welcome all customers. United Market has been in Selma for about 13 years. We sell Harris Ranch beef, fresh produce, as well as all household items. It's important to invest in the next generation because they are our future. We provide them with the opportunity to work here and gain social skills as well as customer service. We do a lot of one-on-one training and make sure that they're successful from day one. A lot of our youth are still in high school, so we make sure that we work with their school schedule to make sure that they're successful at school and at work. We love being the first step for people in their work journey. We work with Workforce Connection with our youth here in our community to help train them for their future jobs. Working here, our youth obtain social skills. A lot of them start off really shy at the beginning, and with time, they're able to communicate with customers as well with the other employees. They also obtain responsibility, to come to work every day, and they learn team skills. They work really well with the other employees. We just want to make sure that they're successful from day one. We had this one guy and he came in, he was very shy. He didn't want to talk to any of the employees or any of the customers. He would run away from them. And so I noticed that and I pulled him aside and I told him, how can I help you? How can I help you help them, help our customers? Basically, I just told him, when someone comes up to you, just slow it down. If there's something that you don't know where it's at, talk to us, talk to any employee here. We're here to help you. And, with time, it just got way better. Now he's super vocal. He tells us on our radio, like, hey, I have a customer, he needs help. Where can I find the ketchup? Where can I find, the bath tissue? And he's very helpful. He volunteers a lot. He'll tell us like, oh no, I'll help you to your car, ma'am, or don't worry about it, I got it. I'll go get cards. So he's very helpful and not shy anymore. We love Workforce Connection because they provide responsible participants. They're very easy to work with and they have great communication with us. We want to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for the award. And also we would like to thank Elizabeth for the nomination. We'd like to thank our management and our youth for making this place a great place to work at.